Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 4 further on MS Word 2016 Advanced Features 2. In this chapter, we will see finding text, how to replace text, inserting shapes in a document, applying drop caps. In previous chapter, we studied some formatting techniques that you may apply to a Word document. In this chapter, we will learn a little more about the advanced formatting features of MS Word 2016. So first features we will see, which is finding text. So we will first of all we will learn how to find the text in your document. So finding a word or phrase in a large Word document become very easy. Therefore, Word provides us the facility to find word or phrases by using the find option. So we can find the word and phrase by using the find option. There is one option is available in your MS Word, which is your find option. By using this option, we can find out any word in your document. So what are the steps that we have to follow? In the home tab we will see there is an option editing group. There is a one group, editing group. Okay, as you know that your ribbon, the home, it is divided into some group like clipboard group, home group, okay, paragraph group. So likewise there is a group, there is a one group which is editing group. In the home tab, editing group, then after there you will see there is a find button, and it's a symbol, is a sign will be there also. This kind of sign will be there, and there is a drop down arrow also. So you have to get this find button. Then after clicking on this find button, a navigation pane appears to the left of the window. So you will get this navigation pane. Okay, you can see this navigation pane. In this navigation pane you will have some more options also. This is your navigation pane. Here you have to type type the word or phrase you want to search in this text box. You can, whatever the text or phrase you want to search, you can type it here. Then after click it here. So you will get your you will search your document. If the word is found in the document, it will be highlighted, will be with the yellow color. So what you will see that if your word will be available in this document, means what in the document, the same which word you are searching for, the same word if it will be there in your document, that will be highlighted with the yellow color. Also, preview of all lines where the word is found will be displayed in the navigation pane. Means some more words will be there of the same, means like some simple word you have found, you have searched like text. So how many text, means that one, that the later the word text will be there how many times in your document, that all will be highlighted one by one, means that all will be highlighted. So now another one is that another method, click on the drop down arrow, means suppose another is there, click on the drop down arrow in the search document text box. Then here is that this means for the some more options, you will get the some more options to get the some after like that whatever the text you found, so that you want to replace it. So that is the advanced one, so that we will see. So first of all you have to click it here, click on the drop down arrow in the search document text box. Okay, so select advanced find option from the menu. So in that you will get this one. So once you will click it here in this drop down arrow, once you will click it here, so you have to go this one advanced find. Okay, so here in the advanced find, type the word or phrase in the find, what to find, that you have to type. So here is first, you see it, quick knowledge. To quickly give a professional look to your document, you can apply a theme. Means this is the one of the tips is here. If you want to give the professional look to your document, what you have to apply, and it is quickly you want to do, so simply you can use the theme, which is a set of formatting choices that include colors, font, lines, and other effects. So what is theme? Theme is a set of formatting choices that include colors, fonts, lines and other effects. So this is whenever you want to apply quickly some professional type of look to your documents. Actually theme is that which is predefined. It is a set of all, like there is already defined the colors, font is already designed. Okay, now here we will see that. Now after clicking on this find option, what you will do, so there is that you will type the word or phrase in the find what. Here is that you will get this one when you will whenever you will click on the advanced find. That was the simple search, but here you will this is the advanced version. Here is that find what you have to find, so that you have to write down here. Okay, what means which one you are looking for, so that one you will find. So here in advance I am just telling you, here is that there is a three kind of tabs you will find, replace and go to. So here I am telling you the uses of this. Here is the find what. So here you whenever you will type this which word you have to find, simple you have to click it here, and then after like the here is it is searching the word which is the word is your group, the word which word is about which word you want to search. Here is the word is group only, you means you have to find the group. So here you simple you type group and then after find nest. Okay, find nest. Okay, so here you will get the all the means like all the word where is the group, means all the word particular word group will be highlighted with the yellow color. Okay, so like after finishing it, whenever it will be finished, so click on it on the okay. So there will be the one message will come, we are finished searching the document. So there is the one method, means this is the to find the particular word. But there is a one more is there, replace. Replace is the word, like suppose you have you found the group, but the same that group you want to replace with the any other word. Suppose this group you want to replace with the like ABC. Okay, where is the word group, that all the word you want to replace with the ABC. So that is possible by the help of this replace. And this is the go to option. Go to option means for the particular section you want to go. So like all the suppose for the particular section, like go to option, it will send to you like you want to go to the this particular formulas or this particular phrase or this particular sentence, where is that. So there you can use this one, go to option. So here first we will see here. So after finding the word, here is that this is about to find how to find the word. So now next is that replacing the word, replacing text. After finding the word or phrase, let just say you want to replace with some alternative text. As I told that whatever the word is, that the same word you want to replace with another word, so that is possible. Where is it is possible? So simple home tab, editing, the same thing you have to follow, and there is option for the replace option. This is the another method. Here in the home tab, editing group, and you will find this one, replace. So whenever you will click on this replace, so there is there you will find the find and replace window will appear. So the same type of this is the window for the find. Now this is now you will get the replace window. So it will look like this, you can see it. This is the replace window. In the replace window, suppose find what, so means which word you want to find, replace group. So replace with, here you can type by which word you want to replace. Suppose I want to replace with the ABC, then after it is asking replace and replace all. If you will find the replace, here is the replace means one word will be replaced, and replace all means all the group, means wherever the groups are there, this all word will be replaced by the which word, ABC. Okay, so here is that you can find replace with, then after some suggestions will be there, that name which name you have entered here, then after click on the replace button. So when you click to the replace, so this replace, if you will click it here on the replace, it will replace the only current word found, means the first one which one it is found. But whenever you will click on the replace all the means all the word where is the group is there, that all will be replaced. Okay, then after finish it. Okay, so replace all, so that will be finished. So all the words will be replaced. So this is about find and replace. Next we have inserting shapes in the document. So we can answer inserting shapes in a document. Shapes is like it is like a image. Okay, it is a design. It has like it is designed by some boundaries. So we know that how we can draw shapes in paint. Already you are knowing how to. Suppose that I have drawn this one. This is also shape. Okay, so this type of drawing and filling the colors you have already you have studied in your previous classes, which is in the paint you have studied. We learned how to draw shapes like square, circle, triangle, etc. In the same way, what allows you to draw shape in a document, these shapes will help you to draw attention to particular topic. So why we are using this shapes? Because it will emphasize, it will attract the readers, or it will it will highlight the points which you want to express. So it will be easy for understand, and your documents will look professional, it will look good. So here how to do it? So there is a method. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, in the illustration group, on the insert tab in the illustration group, and you will find the this option shapes is icon, you can see it. So here is a drop down arrow is also there. So after clicking upon here you will click, so you will see the drop down menu open with some various lines, rectangles, basic shapes, blocks, arrows, etc. Whenever you will click on here on the drop down menu, so you will see the lot of options. So you can these options, so these are the some options like lines, triangles. These are the options you will get from here by clicking on this drop down arrow menu. From the basic shape, select the sun shape. Means suppose this is the example, they have selected the option, they have selected the shape. Which type of shape they have selected? Sun. This is for example, they have selected the shape sun. So then you will see your pointer will change to this plus sign. It means that that shape is now selected. Then after, click and drag the mouse to draw the sun on the page. Then after, what you have to do, where you want to draw the shape, just bring your mouse cursor there, and then after, what you have to do, you have to click and draw. Which click? Left click or right click? Left click you will do, and drag your mouse, the shape will be drawn on your particular page where you want to draw it. So keeping dragging until get the desired size, means you just keep it on going, means you have to just keep it and keep on dragging. So you will see that means like according to your design, according to you, your picture size will be there. Next, hold on the shift key while you are dragging to maintain height and width in the same ratio. So there is another method. It is not a method, it will help you. Suppose sometimes when you are dragging your mouse, so whenever you are dragging the mouse, sometimes maybe the its height and width will be not same. Means maybe like height will be more and width will be less. So to maintain the both, the ratio should be same. To at that case, what you have to do, if you want to your shape should be perfect, means its height and width should be same. In that case, what you have to do, you have to hold on the shift key, means you have to click the shift key. Which key? This shift key you have to press. Then after, do the same method, click your mouse and drag it. So in that case, you will see your shape will be in the same ratio, height and width will be in the same ratio. You can rotate it also. There is a arrow, you will see it, this kind of arrow you will see in your shape. So this is to top of that your shape, you will see this kind of arrow. So it allows you to rotate your shape like 90, 80, means you can rotate to the both side, left and right side. Okay, so you can rotate your shape. Click on this round arrow and drag it until you are satisfied. Means simple, you have to click your mouse here and you can drag it. Drag means you can move it. So you will according to your wish, you can rotate your shapes. Now You can also like increase and decrease your shape also, means the size also. After that you can increase or decrease by the help of here. Here is that simple. You can bring mouse cursor here, you will drag it here, so it will increase this side only. Here also you can mouse click and bring your mouse cursor here and you can drag it, so you can able to drag. Here is that you can see this is to rotate as a, and where you will get this option in the illustration group, you will see this is the shape. Whenever you will click on this drop down menu, this drop down arrow, when then after you will see these are the many shapes are there. So here which shape they have selected, this sun, so you can see this is for sun. Got it? Now we can also format this picture, this shape also. Formatting means like you can fill the color, you can answer the text. So how you can do it? Simple, you have to go to the format tab. In the format tab you will see the here is that format tab. Here simple, what you have to do here is, you can see in the style, you can change this style by choosing the shape style. Okay, so in the shape style, where you will get this shape style, you will get in the format tab. Simple, you have to go to the format tab. In the format tab you will see the shape style, or like here you can see this one. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus S combination to open style pane. So this is a shortcut key to open this style pane, which the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift. Okay, Ctrl Alt Shift plus S. This is the shortcut key to open your style, shape style. So here is that. Once you will do it, so here you will see here there is the option. So there you can add, after selecting the shape, the right click on that, you will see there is the some options are there. You can add the text. So you can see here you want to add the text, so you can add the text. You want to write something, so that you can do. Also you can effect the on your shape. So you want to apply some borders, it look like a 3D type of shape, so that same you can do on the format tab. In the format tab you will get the one option, which is which option that in the format tab on the same image, for the there is a format tab, and you will get the one option shape effects. So shape effects, this will you will get under this shape style. In this you will see the some shadow type of style. Select the shadow from the drop down menu. Further some you can see there are some styles are there. You can see like preset, shadow, reflection, grow, soft edges, like next is your layer 3D rotations. These all type of like these are the shadows you can apply, means to your shape, that it look like attractive, so that you can apply, you can do the more modification. So that all you can do under the format tab. First of all you have to draw the shape. After drawing your shape you can format it, means you can do something with that shape. Now next here you can see what allows us to change the order of two or more overlapping objects. To do, click on the bringing forward and backward option to arrange group on the format tab. Means two or more shapes are there, so there you can we can give the order for that, which will in the front, or which one will be on the back end, so that we can do it. So that is also possible under the format tab. You can just do it for the bring forward or backward, so that you can do it. Now next we will see here, which is drawing tools. Okay, so there are some shapes are there. Okay, there are some shape that we can do. Similarly we can do with the drawing tools. They are like a simple line. Here you can see these are the drawing tools. You can see here these are here these are drawing tools like lines, rectangles. By the help of this we can do. So these all come under the drawing tools. So here we will see how to do it. So simple, very same step we will follow. We will go to the insert tab, illustration group, and there we will select on the shape. Suppose we have taken the and the select the which uh, tools we have get here we have selected line. So this is the tool, line tool. By using this line tool we can draw some shape. So here is that shape, like this shape we have to draw. So same like what same like as you are doing in your paint, like you have to draw the shape. So simple, this line you have to draw. So first you have to click mouse cursor here and drag it to here. Then after, from here to here, draw by the using this line. Okay, so like here you can use the triangle shape to draw it. Here is the, this shape is also there for the thundering shape. This shape is will be there, wavy shape is there. So these all shapes you can get from there, and one by one you can draw it. Then after you can fill it also. Okay, you can fill the colors also. And like for this dash line, what you will do, so this dash line also, this kind of shapes are there, dashed option is there, so that you can do it from there. Means you can select it from this option. Here is that for now you have to select the horizontal lines under the board, select each line one by one, and select the dash option from the shape outline. From the drop down list, select the desired dash line you want to use. Display water, for displaying water you can get it from there. So likewise you can do lots of things with that. You want to like move it. So for drawing this board, to drawing this board, this all these steps are there. So you can follow these steps one by one, then you will able to draw that kind of same kind of the picture you can able to draw. You can fill it color also. So it's a quite similar as you are doing in your paint. The same thing you can do with here. Okay, here is that once you create a text box, you can type the text box, change the size of the text, move that box around, and even rotate the text box. So you can apply the text box also. Text box, there is an option for like text. So this text box will appear, you will write something, so that you can change the size. It's the size you can change, it's the font style, and also you can move it. Okay, so something you have to write. So like here is here you have to write the to identity and beyond. So it is written there. So likewise you can apply the text also by using the text box. So this you can do similar, just same like paint, almost it is similar like paint. Now next we will see it here. Next we will see word art. Okay,